I am giving away government secrets, you know.
Yeah. I've got this feeling, gotta get to you, and I'm.
Welcome back to Life of Sky with Ntsei-Sky, so flat continent, aka Petty Cash and Petty Mulling Petty Cash. And I'm back with another test that I'm writing. I'm writing a life science paper 2, grade 12, final exam 2021 per. I don't know why I've decided to set myself up again, because the last paper that I wrote here was terrible. It was awful. So I don't know why. I just feel like I have to give myself a go, give myself another shot, because it's fun. And yeah, guys, comment what other papers you guys think I should write. If you can send me papers that you guys want me to write. They don't have to be like school papers. Could probably just be some general knowledge or something. But yeah, let me know what papers you guys want me to write, and I'll shoot some content. Comment down below the answers that you think are correct, because this is a collective effort, hey? We're not about to sit here on the internet and ridicule me, okay, when you know that you're barely getting through at school. It's not gonna be one of those. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can get a notification every single time I post. Make sure to tell your friends to subscribe, because we're almost at 12k, period. Let's run the numbers up. Let's get into this video. This video is not sponsored by the Department of Education. First one, 1.1.1. Okay. DNA and RNA are examples of A, amino acids, B, enzymes, C, nucleic acids, D, proteins. I do know that DNA and RNA are acids. It's just about determining which acid it is. So obviously proteins are out the picture, enzymes are out the picture, it can't be an amino acid. The answer is C, nucleic acid. I told you the answers are usually C, guys. Which one of the following is a product of meiosis? A, muscle cell, B, ovary, C, nerve cell, D, ovum. Why don't I know what this is? Which one of the following? You know the thing about writing there. Even if you can repeat the question to yourself 3 times, you're not gonna understand. Which one of the following is a product of meiosis? A product. That's the key word. Product. Oh, also, guys, just bear in mind there's construction at my house, so if there's noise, it's that. Wait. Okay, let's just move those two aside. Meiosis, ovary, ovum out the picture. We're left with the nerve cell and muscle cell. I believe meiosis, the product of meiosis, is what? C again. Nerve cell. I can just feel it in my blood then. 1.1.3. An individual is heterozygous for a harmful recessive allele but is unaffected by it. Which one of the following best represents the genetic composition of this individual? A, 2 dominant alleles. B, 1 harmful recessive allele and 1 harmful dominant allele. C, 1 harmful recessive allele and 1 normal dominant allele. D, 1 harmful dominant allele and 1 normal recessive allele. And you guys are looking at me for an answer, and I also don't know.
One eternity later.
Okay, the key thing is the individual is unaffected by the allele in question. So it has to be C, 1 harmful recessive allele, and it can't be C. This is gonna be the third C. It cannot be C. You know, the thing about here's the thing about multiple choice, right? Is that you will have like 3 C's on your paper, and then the one time you're like, no, it has to be another alphabet, that will be the one that is C, and you want to put an A. But yeah, it has to be one harmful. Okay, D. I'm going with D. One harmful dominant allele and one normal recessive. No, I think it's one harmful recessive allele and one normal dominant allele. It's C. I will be strong because it is C. I can see it. See what I did there? See what I did there? See? A person has the genotype for blood type. What is this person's blood group? A, B, B, C, O, D, A, B. It's A. Because the A is right there. In a car accident, the biological father of a girl and 3 other men were killed. The men could not be identified due to their injuries. DNA profiling was used to identify the girl's father. The diagram below shows the DNA profiles of the girl, her mother, and the 4 men. Which one of the men is most likely to have been the father of the girl? Ooh, Baba ka geli. Ooh, Baba ka geli. This is hard. This is hard. Okay, so it's genuinely not 4. The guy number 4 is out of the picture. Cool. Now we're left with 3 guys. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now 3. He's got a lot of matching with the girl. Guy number 3. That's your baby. That's your father. Nah. 1.1.5. It has to be guy number 3. A DNA template strand codes for the amino acid serine with any of the following base triplets: AGA, AGG, AGT, TCA, TCG, AGC. The anticodon that codes for the amino acid serine is, I remember what the amino acid is, something like the opposite. Yeah, I can't even describe it, but I get the vision. But these things need you to have learned or studied, and now I haven't studied anything. I just raw dogged this paper. Like, I just started this paper now. I'm so lost. I'm just failing. The boys don't want me. I'm like Silimo now.
The girls don't want me. I'm failing. I'm like Silimo now. You know, there's nothing I can do in this. I am dressed. I might as well just get inside.
So I'm just gonna go with, okay, there's not enough D's here, so I'm going with D. Let's move on. Like, guys, let's not make life more difficult than it needs to be. Just pick an alphabet and move on. The diagram below represents 2 phases of meiosis. There's just a lot going on in this paper. Anaphase, I remember this sequence. Okay, which one of the following represents the correct sequence of phases between phase A and phase B? Anaphase, telophase. It is C. Yeah, C. C per. I told you guys 9 times out of 10 the answer is C. I am giving away government secrets, you know. The diagram below represents a process that occurs during protein synthesis. Which one of the following is correct? When all else fails, what do? Go for C. Okay, evidence of hominid cultural evolution can be found in the fossil record. This evidence would include the A, position of the attachment of the spine to the head, B, length of the upper limb compared to the length of the lower limb, C, number of teeth present in the skull, or D, presence of stone tools. You see, that's the thing about C. I'm very tempted. The number of teeth present in the skull. Okay, the presence of stones, the position of the attachment of the spine to the head. It could be A. I'm gonna go with B. Just for that variety, you know what I mean? Just for that thing of changing it up. DNA and RNA are examples of C. What did I write? C. I told you guys, C. C is yet to fail me. Which one of the following is a product of meiosis? What's the answer? D. What is it? Ovum. I wrote C, which is wrong, which is okay. An individual is heterozygous or the recessive allele. What's the answer? C. Yes, I wrote that and I'm right, because if the guy is unaffected by the recessive allele, it means that it's harmful but it's recessive, and the other one is just dominant but it's normal. Like nothing is going on. Like common sense. Okay, a person with a genotype A thingy for blood type, the person 1.1.4 is A. What did I write? A, blood. Okay, that was pretty straightforward. I got it right. 1.1.5 in a car accident. Okay, yeah, the car accident one. 1.1.5 is B. What? I found your dad. I got DM for life science tutorials. DNA, the strand code, the anticodon. What's 1.1.6? D. What did I write? Guys, I'm smart. I can't believe this, because I looked at the thing. You could see, you just gotta match the lines. How many lines are it was pretty straightforward, if we're being honest. The metaphase, the proper, okay, let me see. 1.1.7 is C. Okay, 1.8 T. I just keep going with C, guys, not C. And it's C again. 1.9, the evidence of hominid. Oh, I wrote B and it was D. I mean, but I passed it. Like, I got most of them right. So let's move on to the next question, because I'm that smart babe. Like, that educated babe. Because multiple choice. Like, guys, if they give you the answers in the paper, you low-key can't fail. Like, something has to happen. Let's go to 1.2. Give the correct biological term for each of the following descriptions. Write only the term next to the question number in the answer book. That's pretty straightforward. I can do that. A diagrammatic representation showing possible evolutionary relationship between different species. It's that you guys know that picture, like, of the evolution, Homo sapien, Neanderthal. Like, that's just what I'm getting. What is it called? Get out of here. It's fine. The type of bond found between amino acid is it's a something bond. The theory that describes evolution as consisting of long periods of little to no change, alternating with short periods of rapid change. The theory that describes evolution. I don't know any of these answers, so I'm just going to keep on skipping. The similar structures that perform different functions in different organisms. Wait, let me deep this. Similar structures that perform different functions in different organisms. If something structures. If something is the same, then it's homo. I don't know, like homogeneous structures, something like that. Let me just write homo, because homo is the same, homogeneous, even though I'm not sure. Structures. The breeding of plants and animals by humans for desired characteristics. That's they did this in Australia. Okay, I forgot. Whatever. The type of dominance where both alleles of a gene are expressed in the phenotype of a I genuinely don't know. Like, guys, I didn't even try and juta you guys. I genuinely don't know. Let's just go to the answers. A diagrammatic representation showing the evolution is a phylogenetic tree, a cladogram. Yeah, I was never ever going to be able to get that. The type of bond found between amino acid, a peptide bond. You know when you say that, like, now I look like, come on guys. 1.2.3, The theory that describes the evolution as consisting of long periods or little change. Punctuated equilibrium. Yeah, guys, now I was never gonna get that, hey? Similar structures that perform different functions. Yeah. Homologous. I wrote homogeneous. Breeding of plants and animals by humans. Yeah. Artificial selection. Selective breeding. The type of dominance where both alleles, okay, what is it? Co-dominance. Yeah, we're just gonna act like this section never happened. This paper does not define who I am. This is not a definition of me. I know that I'm smart. I know that I'm capable of a lot. I'm not gonna let... I maintained an above 70% average for life science. I got a certificate for that in matric, so I'm not going to let anybody talk to me anyhow. I might not know the answers right now, but Oksalayo, I have a matric. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video, share it on your stories, share it on your WhatsApp status, on your close friends, everywhere, in fact, and every other video before this one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! I wanted to ask for a favor. If you guys could or would, I would like to promote my mom's stuff. If you guys know my mom, she's been on my channel before. So my mom sells like forever living products and all that stuff. Like, she's in that business. So it's like her own separate thing, but she sells like, you know, soap, she sells aloe vera, she sells, you know, facial scrubs, body washes, all that great stuff. She sells like pills, you know, supplements. So please do, if you guys need anything, or your moms need anything, or your moms are into that or could be interested in that, please do hit me up so that I can put you into contact with my mom. If you want to also join the business, please let me know so I can put you through to my mom so she can put you on and you can make some money, you know what I mean? So I'd really appreciate it if you guys supported my mom's business and bought some stuff from her. Thank you guys so much.